doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour life.
Okay, room tour of New York, Las Vegas, room 1705 in the New Yorker Tower. This is what they call a spa suite. So you come in here, some nice useful hooks, straight into the bathroom area, which I really like actually, compared to the normal standard New York bathrooms. You've got your hanging area there. Unfortunately, there's only 8 hangers, so we've got a bit of ingenious hanging. Just the one sink there, perfectly usable. Separate room here with the shower, which is nice rather than a lot of them have still got baths. Toilet area, so yeah, perfectly adequate. And then this is the main room, which is big, but actually I don't feel like it's big just for the sake of big. It seems really, I feel like it's a good layout and everything's used well. So we've got a hot tub, stroke spa bath, which with the rainfall tap there. Had a bath in there, it was lovely this morning, really hot. You've got a place there for one of your suitcases, big mirror, interconnecting door for next door. And then you've got this unit here, and in here you've got your own fridge, empty fridge in there, the safe, big drawer, so that's good. Big telly with 4 big drawers underneath, which is great. Little table with 1 chair, lighting. You've got a little sofa there, and then a nice big bed with more storage at the bottom. Either side you've got some USBs, telephone, comfy bed. I like all the artwork. I feel like it's been renovated compared to rooms we've stayed in before. Nice bit of artwork there. So yeah, we're really pleased with it. View wise, we're on the 17th floor, which is the top floor of this tower, and you're looking behind, like away from the strip. So you've got the T-Mobile Arena over there. You've got New Orleans over there, you've got the Rio, obviously you've got the roller coaster the other side there, so obviously we'd be a little bit overlooked by those rooms. But yeah, we're really happy with it. I was a bit worried that it was going to be one of those rooms that's just too big and echoing, but actually I like the layout, I like the storage. So yeah, really pleased, no complaints. So it's New York Spa Suite.
Please turn doors wide. Come on.